Using UiPath, add two numbers. So let's start. Let's take a new sequence. Name it sum of numbers. Okay. First we need to input two numbers. So we will use input activity over here. We can search input dialog. Input dialog is under system dot dialog. Just drag and drop it over here. Give a title. Enter number. Input level. Enter the first number. And we will take a text box. Right click over here. Create a variable. Num1. That is number 1. So variable is created here. You can see we will change the data type to int32. Okay. So it is the process of taking first number. Again, we need to input the second number. So drag and drop over here and this will connect. Again, we use a number. Enter number. Level name. Enter the second number. We need to create another variable over here. Just right click and create a new variable. Number 2 and hit enter. Again, change the data type to int32. Okay, it's done. Now I need to create the sum. So we need to use assign activity. Assign activity. So we will create sum of two numbers, number 1 plus number 2, and assign it in a next variable, that is result. Result. Now we need to display the result. So we will take a new activity message box. Give some meaningful message. The sum equal to, and it is stored in result variable. So I think there is some problem. Implicit conversion to string. If our result is in string, that's why we need to change it. Again, this is in string and result is in integer. So we need to change this to string. It's done. Now save it and run the file. it's asking to enter the first number. Suppose we have entered 12, next number is 30, sum is 42. So this is the process of adding two numbers in UiPath. Just to recap, we have taken an input dialog box over here. We have given label, created a variable, and we are entering value in text box. Again, we are taking another input dialog, entering the second number in variable number 2. This is here. You can see the data type in variable. All these are in 9032, right? Again, we need to do some mathematical operation. We have added number 1 and number 2 and stored it in result variable, and the result variable is of 9032. Again, we are displaying the result. So this is the string value in double quote and result is integer. So we have added .toString to convert it into string. That's fine.